Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this heart into a square because so many people asked make a video of how to make a square out of this heart. So here we go. You can check out my previous video to how to make this granny heart pattern and I'll leave the link in my description down below. So let's get started. For this I'm taking the same color yarn of that heart we made. You have to take the same color yarn and make a slip knot. Now you can see here a granny square part in this heart. So look at this. This is how the granny square looks like. So I'm going to insert the hook from this chain one space. So into these 4 places. So first I'm going to insert the hook from this chain one space. So insert the hook from the behind. Now I'm going to insert the hook from that chain one space. And for that I'm bending that half double crochet row a little bit and grab the yarn and then make a slip stitch. Okay, now from here work chain 1 and I'm going to make a single crochet into the same space as we done before. So insert the hook from the same space like this and now grab the yarn and then make a single crochet. Okay, here we done. Now from here work chain 3 and I'm going to make a single crochet into the same space here. Okay, here we done our first corner. Now let's move to the next chain 1 space. For that work chain 6. Okay, here we made chain 6. Now I'm going to insert the hook from this chain 1 space here. So we have to insert the hook from the middle of that chain 1 space. So I'm going to skip these 3 treble crochets and I'm going to insert the hook from between of 3rd and 4th treble crochet like this. So you have to insert the hook from the behind and like this you have to grab the yarn. Now make a single crochet. From here work chain 3 and I'm going to work a single crochet into the same space. Okay, here we made our second corner. From here work chain 6. Now I'm going to make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space here into this half circle space. So skip 3 treble crochets. Insert the hook from the behind in between of 3rd and 4th treble crochet and grab the yarn and then make a single crochet. Now from here work chain 3 and make another single crochet into the same space. Okay, here we made our third corner. Now from here work chain 6. Now I'm going to insert the hook from this chain 1 space here. So we're going to insert the hook from the behind. Now just bend the half double crochet row a little bit and then grab the yarn like this and then make a single crochet. Now from here work chain 3 and work another single crochet into the same space. So here we made our 4th corner. Now from here work chain 6 and then we're going to join this round with a slip knot. So we're going to insert the hook from the first single crochet we made and work a slip stitch. Okay, now from here work chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. So now this is how it looks like. You can see it looks like a square and we have 4 corners with chain 3. So now on we're going to work into these spaces. So we're going to work traditional granny square. So for that I'm taking this green color yarn and make a slip knot. Now grab the project and insert the hook from this chain 3 space. You can bend this half circle a little bit and then find this chain 3 space here. And now we're going to insert the hook from this chain 3 space. So insert the hook from this chain 3 space and grab the yarn and then make a slip stitch. Now from here work chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now from here work 2 double crochets into the same space. So with that chain 3 you should have 3 double crochets. Okay, here we done. Now work chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space. So here we're working the first corner. Okay, here we done. Now from here work chain 1 and I'm going to skip into this chain 6 space. So for that bend the heart a little bit and you can find this chain 6 space. Now work 3 double crochets into this chain 6 space. Okay, here we done 3 double crochets. Now from here work chain 1 and we're going to work into the next corner. So insert the hook from this chain 3 space and work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we done our second corner. This is how it looks like for now. So now let's move to the next side. So you have to work chain 1 and skip into this chain 6 space. Bend this heart a little bit, then you can find this chain 6 space. Work 3 double crochets into this chain 6 space. Now work chain 1 and we're going to work into the third corner. So work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we done. So this is how it looks like. Now we're working on a granny square, you can see. So you have to do the same to the next 2 sides also. And let's meet at the end of this round. Okay, here we reach to the end of this round. Last work chain 1 and then I'm going to make a slip stitch. Insert the hook from the third chain from the first chain 3 and make a slip stitch. So here we done our first round of the square. So this is how it looks like from the behind. You can see we started to work a granny square. So now from here we have to continue work to the next round till your desired length comes. So let's see how to start the next round. For that I'm going to slip stitch into the next 2 stitches to go to the chain 2 space here. So first make a slip stitch into the first chain space and work another slip stitch into the next chain space like this, and again I'm going to work a slip stitch into this chain 2 space. Now we can start the next round. So work chain 3, this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet, and work 2 more double crochets into the same space. So with that chain 3 you should have 3 double crochets. Now work chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space. So this is the first corner. Okay, here we done. Now from here work chain 1 and then we're going to work into this chain 1 space. Work 3 double crochets into this chain 1 space. Okay, now from here work chain 1 and then work 3 more double crochets into this chain 1 space. Now again work chain 1 and we're going to work the second corner. Skip into this chain 2 space and work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we done our second corner and this is how it looks like, and you have to do is work chain 1 and then continue work to the next chain 1 space until the end of this round. And also you have to continue the same pattern to the next round as well. So you can continue many rows like this pattern till your desired length comes, and and let's meet at the last round. So here we're done. Now I reached the end of this round. You can see I did 3 rows and last work chain 1, and then I'm going to make a slip stitch inside the hook from the 3rd chain from the first chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now work chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. Okay, this is how it looks like, our 3D heart granny square. So next step is you have to block your project. If you block, you can get a nice and neat project. So like this, you can see this one. I blocked this one and you can see how neat and finishing. It has a sharp edge. So this is how I usually block my project. I'm laying on a play mat, this foam mat, and clipping all the corners. And then I'm spraying some water. Instead of dipping all the project, I'm spraying some water and then let it dry. So after dry, you will get a nice and sharp project. So don't forget to block your project always. That's for today's video. I hope you like this. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Until that, take care. Bye-bye.